found that the Donald Trump star here had been vandalized. There was a male, Caucasian, dressed in construction worker gear. He had on a vest and a hat, and he had damaged the star with a pickaxe and a sledgehammer. Investigators have collected surveillance video from the local businesses and are also aware of video that's been posted online.
I witnessed that. He was saying he was going for all the women that have sexually been abused by Donald Trump, and he said that the money that he makes off of Donald Trump's plaque and his name, he said he's going to donate it towards the organization. And this is one guy that's very, very upset. Yeah, I just thought, he was a construction worker that, worked for Hollywood, and he had on a vest and he had an orange jacket on, so I thought that he was official, but apparently not.
In the 6800 block of Hollywood Boulevard. They